Hello, welcome to Hispanic Construction Jobs. And please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you may get notified whenever a video pops up. And today we are going to talk about a very great job opportunity. And it's right here on HispanicConstructionJobs.com. This job right here. And it is for building maintenance tech 2 HVAC. And it's for Ames Community College. And it pays $39,112 a year. Wow, that's a great paying job right there. And then here's the job description. More information right there. And more information, more description, more right there, all the way down. And you can apply for this job right here, this green button. And you can apply right here. It's very, very easy, very simple. And if you haven't signed up for job alerts, we really recommend that you do. You just put your email address and any keywords. Say you would like to work as a custodian, you would just type that right here. And the location, so you live in New York, you put that right here. And then you just push this green button where it says create alert. And yeah, here's the home page. There's plenty more jobs. And then pages and pages. And that's it. And thank you so much for joining me today. Wish everyone a very happy day, great week, and yes, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye.